Hello guys, today we're going to take one of this clear plate to do some easy and simple DIY. And take this floral foam, round floral foam, we're going to put some hot glue around the floral foam like that. And then after that, take your floral foam and you're going to place it in the middle of the plate like that and attach it into place. Then after that, I'm going to take these leaves and I'm going to put a toothpick inside. Then go ahead and grab your flower and place it inside. Here you can always attach it with hot glue for a better attachment. Attach the flower into place, and then you're just going to continue attaching flower in the other side and in the other side, so you do the whole thing around it. Then go ahead and take this glass and put some hot glue at the bottom and attach it to the floral foam just like that. Then go ahead and take this candle holder, place it in the middle just to give a little bit higher up to the candle. You don't have to. And then place your candle inside. And then just go ahead, fill it up the blank with different flowers. You can put the same color. It's up to you. I'm just giving the idea on how beautiful this skin turns out for this fall table decorations. I hope you guys like it. It's simple and easy, and these ideas are inexpensive idea that you guys can do, and it's simple to do. Now for the next idea, we're gonna grab one of these wine glass from Dollar Tree as well. Then after that, we're gonna take the same round floral foam, put some hot glue around the glass like that, and then attach the floral foam on top. Just place it into place like that. Then after that, you're gonna take some nice branches. I'm gonna just place it in the middle. We're going to use a few of these branches and place it around. We're going to use some flowers as well. Here you could do any color theme that you guys are doing, or any color if you want it for a little home decor as well. I'm just going to go ahead and fill it up with different color flowers so it can look super cute. And this is so easy and so inexpensive as well to do. Then after you fill out the whole thing, this is how cute you guys it turns out. Tell me this is not so cute and at the same time so simple. And the wine glass just costs $1, which is great. Then you just have to buy the flower and the floral foam, which is, I think, is very inexpensive. Now for the next idea, we're gonna do a little bit different. We're gonna take one of these candle holder from Dollar Tree, and then we're gonna take a little piece of floral foam. We're gonna put some hot glue in the corner of the floral foam like that, and then we're going to attach it in the middle of the candle holder like that. Then after that, I'm gonna take a toothpick and my flower, place it inside, and then attach it in the middle. Then I'm gonna take this cute little pumpkin that they have, like foam pumpkin. I'm gonna put my toothpick inside, and I'm also going to attach it to the side of the floral foam. And here I'm just gonna continue attaching different color of the pumpkin. You could do different color of the flower, but I'm just going to do all white. Just after that, go ahead and grab your glass, place it inside. Make sure to attach it with hot glue, and then just go ahead and place your candle inside. Super easy to do. And then for this one, I just want to put a little bit thing on the side because I didn't want it to show the floral foam. So I'm just going to put a cute little bit of flowers and greenery in there. And this is how beautiful you guys it turns out. This is so simple and easy that you guys can do at home. Please comment down below and let me know which one is your favorite from all of them. 1, 2, or 3. This is number 3. Thanks again for watching Special Creations by Nelly. I hope you guys like it.